laser beast in a shoebox. Optoma GT2100HDR blasts a 120-inch wall-sized wow from 4 feet away. Step aside, clunky power hogs and budget burners. The Optoma GT2100HDR isn't just a projector, it's a compact cinematic war machine disguised as eco-friendly tech. With a short throw lens that turns your bedroom wall into a 120-inch laser-powered portal, this full HD beast is perfect for gamers, movie lovers, and low-light haters alike. You get 4,200 blazing lumens, vivid HDR10 color, and a buttery 300,000:1 contrast ratio, all from a machine smaller than a sheet of paper. This thing doesn't play around. Unless you tell it to, and then it games like a caffeine-addicted esports champion. What makes it a beast? Let's talk DuraCore Laser Tech, 30,000 hours of maintenance-free, lamp-free life, zero mercury, and no downscaling trickery. Compared to your sad, old lamp-based relic, this guy cuts power usage by 45% while blowing you away with sharper, crisper, deeper visuals. You get cinematic precision without the eye-watering price tag or bulb changes. Bonus? The chassis is made with up to 50% recycled plastics. It's not just saving your electric bill, it's giving Mother Earth a high five, too. Game on, glitch-free. Thanks to enhanced gaming mode, you'll stomp competition with latency so low, it feels psychic. 8.6 milliseconds at 1080p 120Hz, faster than your Wi-Fi lies. The GT2100HDR accepts 4K HDR input like a champ and converts it into jaw-dropping full HD glory. It's like having a sports bar, game cave, and IMAX, all without leaving your couch. The built-in speaker saves you from messing with external audio systems, and the HDMI/USB ports welcome every console and streaming box like VIP guests. Don't let the compact size fool you, this isn't a mini projector, it's a precision-engineered light cannon. Measuring just 8.5 inches by 10.79 inches, the GT2100HDR fits on tight shelves, weird angles, or wall mounts like it was born there. Want a 100-inch display from barely over 3 feet? Done. Hate shadow interference while you present or game? Gone. Hate the smell of burning bulbs and the dread of replacements? Never again. Its sealed design is IPX6 rated, so even dust gets ghosted. If you're hunting for the best bang-for-buck home projector that's eco-smart, maintenance-free, and built like a sleek visual tank, this is it. No gimmicks, no bulky nonsense. Just laser-sharp visuals, whisper-quiet operation, and the confidence that you'll never touch a bulb again. The Optoma GT2100HDR isn't just worth it, it's an investment in your eyeballs, your wallet, and your weekend plans. Ready to make your wall screen wow? You know what to do.